Hey guys, today we got a cab High Fiberglass Leer 100R series. This is the 07 to 13 Chevy truck, full size with the 6.5 foot bed. It's a little bit chipped up, but we'll go look at it. It's not horribly bad, but it has some scuffs here. This would probably buff out most of that. This black mark would buff out, but up here we got a chip in the paint. We got a couple chips up here on the top edge. There's one on the top roof there. Through here it looks good. Top and the top edge through here look really nice. This all looks good through here. Go down the front edge. You do have a scuff right there. That'd probably buff out. Then you got some chips on the bottom edge. And you do have some chips pretty much all the way. This is kind of what happens when you take them off and set them on the ground directly without putting them on some protection. They get chipped up from rocks and stuff on the ground. So a little bit chipped up. Probably was taken on and off by the previous owner, I guess. No windows on the side. Does have a couple chips here in the fiberglass, little scratches I should say. Right there, and there's one down there. But that's really about it. So it's solid panel, no window on the side. Front window is a slider. Paint looks good through here till you get up to about here, and you have a bunch of chips on the edge. Not sure why. Unless it was stood, it could have been stood up on its end. Sometimes people store them on their front. That could have been what happened to this one here. A couple chips there on the edge. Top edge there. Right there again, we have more. Now this is all behind the cab, so you're not going to see it anyway, but then you have some scratches right there. You have a chip there on the corner. And then a little bit of a mark down here on the bottom with some scratches there. Bottom edge looks good through here. Like I said, there's a sliding window. The sliding window opens so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Close that back up like so. A little bit of chip there on the corner. There's that one we looked at. That's what it looks like on the side. Top looks good. Has a little bit of a, I don't know, must have had some rust dripping from a rack or something metal above it. That probably would clean up. You got a scratch right there. Down through here looks good. Bottom edge on this side is also chipped up. It's not quite as bad at the beginning, but down through here got some chips there, and a couple more there, down through there, like so. Solid panel on this side as well. Not seeing any damage in that. This all looks pretty good. Passenger side looks really good compared to the driver's side. Got some chips there on the back corner. Like I said, it's from sitting on the ground. A little bit of a scratch there on the top. A little bit of a scratch there by the brake line. You can kind of see a little scuff mark on the roof too. A couple more scratches on this top edge. Down through here, same chips we looked at the beginning. Double T handle, locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Serial number. It's right there. There it is, Cab High Leer 100R series. It's a 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado trucks with a 6.5 foot bed, 1500, 2500, 3500s. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, those can be purchased from us through there as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, color match or certain size, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up in one of our locations. Thanks for watching.